sa isa na namang trending at insightful na usapin with a touch of healthy bardagulan. Yan yung mga inaabangan natin
Yes,
lagi.
of course.
Diba? And syempre, balik campus na naman tayo. At nandito pa rin tayo sa Malabon
National High School!
My personal
Grabe ang saya
favorite.
dito. Grabe! From one campus to another, iba talaga ang OG experience dito sa schoolmates! And of course, syempre, maraming salamat. Malabon National High School, grabe kayo!
Grabe. Ano daw yung grabe?
And of course, speaking of mainit, Trish, ready ka na ba para sa panibagong hot topic trending natin ngayon? For today's episode.
True. Ako personally, gusto ko tong topic na to kasi nalalapit na naman ang eleksyon, di ba? Talagang mainit at fresh at kamakailan lang, di ba po? Inaprubahan na ang Civil Service Commission ang isang resolusyon na nagbibigay ng civil service eligibility para sa mga SK officials.
Of course, pero paalala lang sa mga schoolmates natin na nanonood na may limitasyon ang resolusyon na ito. Bagaman mabibigyan ng CSC eligibility ang mga SK officials na nakapagtapos ng kanilang unang termino or 3 taong serbisyo, limitado pa rin ang mga job offers na saklaw nito. Tanging first-level jobs lamang ang maaaring makonsider ng SK officials.
Tama ka dyan, James. At syempre, para malinaw lang din sa ating mga magiging debaters, so ang mga SK officials lang ang sakop ng resolusyong ito. As in yung mga councilors lang. Okay?
Yes.
Councilors lang, hindi ang mga chairperson. Kasi ang mga chairperson, kahit elected na, youth leader din, na nakapailalim sila sa sangguniang kabataan. Kaya naman, hindi sila sakop ng eligibility na ito. So, pero, pasok pa rin sila sa tinatawag nating BOE or Barangay Officials Eligibility. So, a different bracket, ika nga, yung
Yes.
sinasabi lang nito. Kumbaga, iba ang angkop na parameter para sa mga chairpersons at sa mga councilor. Iba-iba sila ng level of governance. Yep.
Right, pero nagsimula pa rin ito ng diskusyon online, yes. E narapat nga ba na ibigay lang ang ganitong uri ng merit para sa ating SK officials or dapat din nila makuha ito sa paraan na tulad ng karamihan, such as magtapos ng may Latin honor or makapasa sa mismong exam?
Talaga naman naging controversial ang issue na ito sa mga nagdaang linggo, no? Kaya naman, pumunta tayo sa ating exciting part. Kilalanin na natin ang unang grupong pabor na mabigyan ng CSC eligibility ang ating mga SK officials. Panoorin po natin sila.
My name is Lindsay Mayar Carlos. I'm 17 years old and I'm from UMS 12A. At that time, we knew the theme and the topics. I felt very thrilled and nervous because this is a debate and a public speaking that we need to prepare for. But at the same time, I want to take on the challenge and be able to improve my public speaking and debating skills.
My name is Rafsanjani S. Saul, 17 years old, from 12A UMS department. With the preparation, we just did some basic research, such as utilizing search engines such as Google, Chrome, and such. And also, we also did some basic note-taking, taking down notes, the main points, and etc.
My name is Ariza Summer A. Reyes. I am 18 years old from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. My message for our opponents, I hope you're just as prepared as we are. Good luck on the debate, and I hope we will be able to maintain a friendly and respectful debate, and even after the debate, we will be able to communicate without any bad blood.
And of course, narito naman ang ikalawang grupo na hindi pabor sa pagkakaroon ng CSC eligibility ng SK officials. Panoorin natin to.
I am Calvin Nathan G. Shoson, 18 years old, from ABM 12A. As a student leader and politically aware, I was shocked na ayun yung magiging topic namin. So civil service eligibility is one of the most controversial topic recently.
I'm George Maximus Didiswako, 17 years old, from ABM 12B. For the preparations that we did as a group, we researched more on the topic. We looked for articles and specifically the website for CSC, and individually I watched news about the topic so I would be able to get information for myself. I also shared it with the group so we would be able to coordinate correctly and properly.
I'm Elisha Gil J. Custodio, 19 years old, from Humes 12B. Ang message ko lang po sa aming opponent team is good luck and hopefully magkaroon tayo ng sportsmanship-like na pagde-debate and hopefully maging productive yung debate natin regarding sa topic. Kasi it really is controversial, but we need to express our sides equally, fairly, and hopefully we can defend our part.
Ayan, schoolmates, siguraduhin ready na kayo dahil maririnig na natin ang mainit na argumento ng ating mga debaters sa pagbabalik ng #1 youth debate show ng bayan, ang Schoolmates!